Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Hummer H5 Prime concept stands as a bold statement in modern off-road luxury, seamlessly merging raw power with refined technology. Designed for the adventurous yet discerning driver, this concept vehicle redefines rugged elegance with a series of innovative design elements. Starting with its striking exterior, the H5 Prime features a commanding front grille that exudes strength, accompanied by sharp LED headlamps that cast an intense glow. Step by step, its sculpted fenders and robust body lines emphasize durability, while its broad stance and oversized alloy wheels ensure impressive ground clearance. Although its aggressive design is a visual triumph, the car's substantial size may challenge maneuverability in congested urban areas. Inside, the cabin offers a sanctuary of modern comfort and advanced technology. Step 1 reveals premium leather seats, meticulously stitched and ergonomically designed to support long journeys. Step 2 introduces a digital dashboard boasting a crisp instrument cluster and a central touchscreen interface that governs connectivity and performance settings. The minimalist interior exudes futuristic sophistication. However, the abundance of digital controls might feel overwhelming to some traditionalists. Performance-wise, a high-output engine tuned by Farida delivers exhilarating acceleration and a top speed that rivals elite off-road SUVs, though fuel efficiency remains a noted compromise. Priced competitively for buyers in their 40s and older, the H5 Prime concept challenges competitors such as the Jeep Wrangler and Land Rover Defender with its blend of legacy and innovation. In summary, the 2025 Hummer H5 Prime concept encapsulates the perfect fusion of power, luxury, and cutting-edge performance, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a ride that is both formidable and refined. The design exudes engineering excellence and visionary creativity, truly captivating both car enthusiasts and experienced drivers, while its unmatched performance, advanced technology, and refined style redefine off-road luxury.